Last week, we already discussed about the standard form of the equation of a circle. And having the standard form, we can easily identify the center and the value of the radius. But how about if the equation is not in standard form? In this example, it is in general form, just like this. Okay? So, first, we need to convert it or to transform it to standard form. And how can we do that? We will do it step by step. Step 1. So we have to group all the x's. Okay? So we have x squared plus 4x. And we will assume that we have the third term. Then group all the y's. So we have plus, so we have y squared minus 8y, then our third term. Then transpose this to the other side. So we have 16, so this will be negative 16. Okay, so what's next? We will do completing the square. Completing the square was already discussed in Mathematics 7, 8, and 9. So I don't think that you will have a problem doing it. So I'll be teaching you how to do it again. Okay, so get the middle term. Okay, so we have 4 divided by 2. So we have 2, then squared. Okay, so we have 4. So this number will be added to this side. Okay, so plus 4 and to the other side of the equation. So we have plus 4. And you do the same with the y equation. So we have negative 8 divided by 2. We have negative 4 squared. So we have 16. So we add 16 here and to the other side. So plus 16. Then equate. So we have x. This will be your term. Okay, the second term of the binomial, the perfect square binomial. So we have x plus 2 squared plus y. Okay, so this will be the second term of the binomial. Negative 4 squared is equal to, then add all of this. So negative 16, positive 16. So we have 4. Okay, so this is in standard form. And if we are asked to find out the center and the radius, we can easily do it with this standard form. So center h and k is equal to negative 2, positive 4. And our radius is positive 2. Okay? So we have this answer. So our center is negative 2, 4, and radius is positive 2. Example number 2. This equation is also in general form. So what we need to do is to convert it to standard form and find the center and the radius. Okay, so group all the x's. So we have x squared minus 8x, and let's assume, or let's give a space for the third term, plus y squared. Okay, so there's no other y, is equal to, transpose this to the other side. So we have negative 7. Okay, do the completing the square. So we have negative 8 divided by 2. So we have negative 4, then squared. So we have positive 16. So add positive 16 and this side on and on the other side. So we have positive 16. So we have x minus 4 squared plus y squared. Let's add this one. So we have 9. Okay, positive 9. Since we have the standard form of the equation, we can easily identify the h and k, which is the coordinates of the center. So we have h, negative 4 multiplied by negative 1. We have positive 4. Then we don't have a y, so 0. So our center is 4 and 0. Then our radius is, take the square root of it, so we have positive 3. Okay, so center is 4 and 0, then our radius is positive 3. Example number 3. General equation, we will transform this into a standard equation. Then we will find the center, we will find the radius. Okay, so same thing, group the x's. So we have x squared plus 4x, then leave the space for the third term, plus y squared minus 6y for the third term is equal to transpose. So we have positive 3. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is positive 2, then squared, so we have positive 4. So add 4 here, then add 4 on the other side. Next, negative 6 divided by 2, so we have negative 3, squared, we have positive 9. Add positive 9 here, then add positive 9 on the other side. Okay, so we have x, get this one, positive 2, squared plus y, this one, negative 3, squared is equal to, this also, 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, so we already have the standard form of the equation. So h and k is equal to, so negative 2 and positive 3. Then our radius is square root of 16 is positive 4. So center is negative 2 and 3, then r or the radius is positive 4.